Good evening. Yeah, how are you today? Baik-baik semua ya? Okay, thank you so much for your participation. Thank you for answering my greeting. Yeah, thank you. Yeah, as usual, sebelum kita mulai seperti biasa, saya akan memberikan sedikit quiz, bukan quiz sebetulnya, seperti review begitu ya. Oke, tapi sebelum review, saya mau menerangkan sedikit. Kemarin saya waktu kita selesai pelajaran waktu hari Senin itu, saya sempat melihat di chat room, di kolom chat itu ada yang bertanya tentang beda antara AM dan PM. Saya akan menerangkan sedikit sambil menunggu maksudnya menunggu teman-teman lain untuk bergabung. Oke, saya akan share screen sebentar. Oke, ada yang bertanya kepada saya, paling tidak bertanya di chat room itu, apa tuh Miss bedanya AM dan PM? Anybody here can answer apa bedanya antara AM dan PM? Ya, di chat room saya lihat. Oke, ya. AM yang sering kita lihat misalnya ada tulisan 07.00 AM. Oke. Kemudian apa bedanya dengan 07.00 PM begitu. Ya. Perlu diketahui AM di sini merupakan singkatan dari yang AM ya. AM. AM itu antemeridian. Antemeridian. Jadi maksudnya di sini before noon, sebelum jam 12 siang. Jadi kalau diartikan dia berarti jam 00 pukul dari jam 00.00 12 malam sampai 11.59. Oke. Nah, kemudian yang satunya adalah PM. Ya. Nanti saya kasih tahu apa cara menghafal supaya mudah. Yang ini post meridian. Yang ini dimulainya pas jam 12, ya mungkin lebih 1 menit mungkin ya, 12.01 gitu kali ya, sampai 23 titik, kalau 24 kan berarti 24.59, 23.59, ya. Jadi kalau dipikir ini yang AM itu berarti mengacu ke pagi ya. Kemudian yang ini adalah mengacu ke sore sampai malam. Sore sampai malam. Oke. Malam. Ya. Menghafalnya sebetulnya tidak sulit. In alphabet of English or Indonesian is the same. We have A at the beginning. Huruf A itu selalu di awal. A, B, C, D, E. Maksud saya lebih awal dibanding huruf P. Jadi yang A itu pagi, kemudian yang P itu yang sore sampai malam. Jadi kita punya istilah kalau noon. Noon itu jam 12 siang. Ya. Jadi kalau ada istilah afternoon itu berarti setelah pukul 12 siang. Ya, setelah pukul 12 siang. 12 itu 12 siang. So when we say good afternoon, we usually say it after 12 o'clock in the afternoon. And then we never say good evening, itu kalau diterjemahkan memang selamat sore, tetapi tidak diucapkan pada saat pukul katakan jam 4 sore. No, in jam 4 atau jam 16 atau pukul 16 itu kita menyebutnya dengan afternoon. So 4 o'clock in the afternoon. Kapan kita mulai dengan evening? Rata-rata ada yang bertanya kapan. Mulai evening itu biasanya pukul 18 atau pukul 6 sore. Ya. Kemudian in English, when we greet someone, I think mungkin sudah diberitahu kalau greet someone, good morning, good afternoon itu setelah jam 12, kemudian jam 12 sampai jam 5, jam 6 sampai malam itu tetap pakai good evening. Karena good night itu hanya dipakai kalau kita berpisah saja atau mau tidur. So when we meet each other at least at 7 o'clock, jam 7 p.m., let's say like that, still you say good evening. And then when you want to leave, you can say good night. Okay, so beda dengan bahasa Indonesia mungkin. Selamat malam Bu, bisa. Tapi kalau di bahasa Inggris, good night itu tidak pernah dipakai untuk greetings. It's only for leave taking. Leave taking means berpamitan or you want to sleep. Okay, any questions so far? Ada yang bertanya mungkin? No? No questions? Oke, oh ada yang bertanya mungkin? Bisa saya lihat? Ya, terima kasih. Ya, thank you. Now, I think everyone is ready to have a kind of review before we start our lesson today. Everyone is ready, ya? Ya, Lani, oke. Ada yang bertanya mungkin? Ready ya? Ya, oke. Saya akan share-nya, saya stop dulu. Oh, nanti. Yeah. Okay. Now, what you have to do, please prepare a piece of paper and something to write with. Tolong disiapkan selembar kertas atau ya, terima kasih kembali. Selembar kertas dan alat untuk menulis. Ya. When you are ready, say something in your chat room so that I can see. Ya, sudah ya? Yeah, okay. Now, what you have to do is very simple. I would like to write down a word. The word is in jumbled letters. Jadi saya akan menulis suatu kata dalam bahasa Inggris, tetapi kata itu sudah diacak hurufnya. And what you have to do is try to rearrange that letter, those letters into a good word in English. Let's try. Kita coba dulu ya. For example, I write down here. Number 1. For example, I write down, and then I said, this one is school items. So, what is supposed to be? Ini harusnya apa? Bukan popo, boko nggak ada. Harusnya, someone can say, yeah, you are right. Book, ya, harusnya ini book. Gitu, ya. So, I will start now. Kita mulai ya sekarang ya. Ya, please, I will write the jumbled letters here, and please you try to rearrange the letter to make a good English word. Yeah, number 1. That's number 1. And the clue is, clue itu petunjuknya is things we wear. Sesuatu yang kita pakai. Okay, I will write the whole exercise first before you answer. Okay, when number 1 is done, say done. Kalau sudah selesai, just say done. Don't write the answer in the chat room. Don't write the answer in the chat room. Just say done. Okay, now we come to number 2. This one is school object. Okay, when you have finished, just write down done. Don't write the answer in your chat room. So just say done. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, now we come to number 3. Jangan ditulis di chat room ya jawabannya ya. Okay, this one is something we eat. Something we eat. Don't write the answer in chat room. Just keep it for yourself. When you finished, say done. Okay, next, number 4. Okay, number 4. This is an animal. Okay, this is an animal. When you have finished, say done. Oh, right, done. Tulis salah. Saya harusnya tulis bukan saya. Okay. Belum ada yang selesai. Can I go on? Bisa lanjut? Okay, number 5. Number 5. This is, the clue is an adjective. Kata sifat ini. Yeah, that's all. Then everybody. Now, I'm going to check. Finish everybody? Done, done. Okay, Good. Now, I'm going to check. Okay. Those who want to be the volunteer to do the exercise number 1, please raise your hand. Brandon, Dharma.
Yeah.
Yes,
Yes,
okay. Good
Miss.
evening. How are you today?
I'm fine, Miss.
Yeah, I'm fine too. Thank you. Are you ready to answer the question? Number 1.
Ready, Miss.
Okay.
Number 1.
What is it?
Earrings.
How do you
Earrings.
spell it? Yeah, you're right. Earrings. How do you spell it?
E A
And then
R
E A
R
R
R R
R
I N
N
N G
E
S.
S. You're right. Earrings. Okay. Thank you, Brandon. Now, only first, I would like you to
Thank
say
you, Miss.
3 more. Jangan pergi dulu. I want you to say 3 more. Okay, let's say this one is jewelry ya. Karena ini kan termasuk jewelry. Jewelry itu atau something, sesuatu yang kita pakai, dalam hal ini khususnya jewelry. Jewelry is perhiasan ya. Nah, bisa sebutkan lagi kira-kira 3 aja perhiasan. Yuk. Something that you wear, something that women wear in the neck. Hello, Brandon. Okay. Yeah, Brandon, I'm still asking
Yeah.
you. Okay, Brandon, I'm still asking
Yeah,
you.
Miss.
Okay. Try to
Next.
answer the question.
Yeah.
3 more for jewelry.
Necklace. Kalung.
Yeah, necklace. Okay, what else? Something
Ring.
wearing in
Ring.
the finger.
Ring,
On the
cincin.
finger. Pardon?
Ring, cincin.
Okay,
Ring,
you're right.
cincin.
One more. Something to write in the wrist. Around the wrist. Around the pergelangan.
Oh, gelang.
Yeah,
Apa?
gelang. What is
Gelang.
it?
Wait.
Iya, itu ada yang di
Bracelet.
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 Okay. Ya.
Oh, bracelet ya.
Bracelet.
Aku di
Thank you.
bracket ya, bracelet.
Bracelet. Yeah, bracelet. Bracelet. Yes, that's it. Thank you, Brandon.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you, Mr. Brandon. Now we go on to number 2. Yes, someone want to do number 2? Miss Ayu. Hello, Miss Ayu.
Hello, Miss.
Hello. How are you today?
Hello.
Hello.
I'm good, thank you.
I'm fine too, thank you.
Hello.
Yeah. Okay. Now, are you ready to do the exercise number 2? Nomor 2, siap?
Yes, I'm ready. Yes, I'm
okay.
ready.
Yeah. What is the answer?
Blackboard.
Blackboard. How do you spell blackboard?
Yeah.
How do you spell it?
Because it is school.
How do you spell it? B, terus? L, and then?
B-L-A-C. K.
Yes.
B. O.
Yeah. B, O, terus? A. Yeah, terus? R, okay.
D.
D, excellent. Okay, this is school object, right? Hello, Miss Ayu. Say 3 more.
Papan tulis.
Papan tulis. Oke, sebutkan 5 lagi bisa school object. Yuk. Halo, Miss Ayu.
Halo, Miss. Miss.
Okay,
I'm
Yudi.
sorry.
Nah,
Blackbird is black
sebutkan
whiteboard.
whiteboard, oke. Terus 3 lagi aja deh, 3 lagi, oke nggak apa-apa. Yang ada di sekolah.
Marker.
Dan marker, oke.
Yeah, marker. Yeah.
Penghapusnya
Marker
sekarang.
Eraser.
That's good, thank you. Terima kasih.
Sama-sama, Miss.
Yeah, okay, good. Next, we go to number 3. Number 3, something that we eat. Miss Windy Normalasari. Hello, Miss Windy. Hello, Miss Windy.
Hello,
Okay.
Miss.
Yeah. Are you ready to help me for number 3?
Yes, ready.
What is the answer for number 3?
Orange.
Orange. Okay, that's good. It is also a name of color ya, tapi this one is fruit. Warna dan fruit. Okay, 3 buah lagi. 3 oranges. 3 fruits. Names of 3 fruits. 3.
Strawberry. Strawberry, Miss.
Strawberry. Okay, then.
Grape.
Pardon?
Grape.
Grape. Okay, next.
And then apple.
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 Yes. Salah nulisnya nih. Which one do you like best? Out of orange, strawberry, grape, apple. Mana yang Anda suka?
I'm very like apple.
I like apple very much. Okay, what is it? I like apple very much.
I like apple very much.
Very much. Ya, letakkan kata
I like
very
apple very much.
very much. Yes.
Okay.
Thank you, Miss Windy.
Thank you, Miss.
Yeah. Okay. Now we come to number 4. An animal. Miss Fee. Miss Fee or Miss Fee? Fee. Fee or Fee? Good evening, Miss Fee. Fee, ya?
Yes, Fee.
Okay, Fee. Okay. Miss Fee, are you ready to answer number 4?
Ready.
Yeah. What is it?
Crocodile.
Yeah, crocodile. Okay, how do you spell it?
CROCODILE.
Yes, that's good. Now, say, I challenge you to say 5 more. 5 lagi. Oh.
Okay. Bird.
Animals. Pardon?
Bird.
Good. Good. Okay. B-I-R-D. 1.
Dog.
Dog. Okay.
Cat.
Pardon?
Cat.
Cat. Okay.
Then chicken.
Chicken. Okay. Kok kecil-kecil semua ini binatang. Wait. Chicken. Okay. Masih 1 lagi.
Giraffe.
Pardon?
Giraffe.
Giraffe. Okay. Giraffe. FFE. Okay. Thank you. Oh, by the way, I would like to ask you, do you have any pets? Punya binatang piaraan?
No.
No, you don't have it. Okay.
Yeah.
If you have to choose, kalau Anda harus memilih nih, out of bird, dog, cat, chicken, I think bird, dog, and cat, yeah. Which one do you like to be your pet?
I think I would like to dog.
Choose dog. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, Miss Lily.
Yeah. Now we go on to the last one. Sekarang kita menuju ke yang paling akhir. Yes. Somebody can help me. Miss Lily Mulyani.
Good evening, Miss Lilis.
Yeah, good evening, Miss Lily. How are you today?
Fine, thank you. How about you?
I am fine too, thank you. Okay. Can you help me do the exercise number 5?
Yes, Miss.
Okay, what is it?
Handsome.
Handsome. Okay, how do you spell it?
HANDSOME.
That's good. Handsome, that's the adjective. Can you help me to add 5 more adjectives? Tambah 5 lagi, okay?
Okay.
Yo.
Pretty.
Pretty. Okay, how do you spell pretty?
PRETTY.
That's good. Then
Beautiful.
beautiful. Okay.
BEAUTIFUL.
That's good. Next, what else?
Ugly.
Ugly. Okay, how do you spell it?
UGLY.
Yes. Masih 2 nih.
Fat.
Okay, how do you spell it?
FET.
F-A-F-A-T.
T. Sorry.
One more.
Little.
Okay, how do you spell it?
LITTLE.
Thank you so much, Miss Lily.
You're welcome, Miss.
Yeah. Okay, yeah, that's good. Everybody can answer correctly. Earrings, and then blackboard, orange, crocodile, handsome, and all examples of those category. Okay, thank you so much. Before I go on, is there any question? Ada ya? Okay. Now, I want to have another sharing. That's all about, let's see. So far, last week, we have already covered this exercise. Morning routine, ya. And I have an example here. Saya beri contoh di sini. Morning routine. Ya, sebentar. Biar agak jelas. Yes. Okay, now, before we continue our lesson today, I would like one of you to read. But before you read it, I will read it first. Okay, saya akan baca. Kemudian I will ask one of you to read also the same. Okay, I will read it for you. Morning routines. Hello, my name is Jim, and I am going to tell you about my morning routines. Well, I wake up at a quarter. Supposed to be ada e-nya di sini ya, but this one missing. I wake up at a 6:45 and get up at 7 o'clock. Then I have a shower and get dressed. Next, I have cereal for breakfast. After that, I brush my teeth. At 8 o'clock, I go to school where I learn many interesting things. Okay? I will translate this into Indonesian. Morning routines, kebiasaan di pagi hari. Hello, my name is Jim. Halo, nama saya Jim. I'm going to tell you about my morning routine. Saya akan beritahu kamu tentang kebiasaanku pagi hari. Well, I wake up. Wake up itu baru buka mata. I wake up at 6:45. 6:45. Itu pukul berapa ya? Kalau kita mau menerjemahkan ini, kita bisa dari belakang nih. Saya bangun. Ya. Saya bangun pukul dari belakang. 7, tunya kurang 15. 7 kurang 6:15. And get up, nah ini get up itu sudah berdiri dari ranjang, kemudian bangun ya. Bangun juga at 7 o'clock. Jam pukul 7 saya sudah bangun. Then I have a shower. Kemudian saya a shower, mandinya pakai pancuran nih. And get dressed, dan berpakaian. Next, kemudian I have cereal for breakfast. Saya makan sereal untuk makan pagi. After that, I brush my teeth. Kemudian saya menggosok gigi. At 8 o'clock, I go to school. Pukul 8 saya ke sekolah. Ini mungkin bukan orang Indonesia ini ya. Sekolahnya jam 8. Where I learn many interesting things. Ya, sekolah di mana saya bisa belajar banyak hal yang menarik. Ya, okay. Now, I will ask 2 volunteers to read to read the small passage here. Okay? Saya lihat dari sini dulu. Ya, Miss Desmi Chang.
Yes, good evening, Miss
Good
Lily.
evening,
How is it?
Miss. Yeah, can you help me? I want you to read from morning routines till the end. Okay?
Okay.
Ya, silakan.
Okay. Morning routines.
Mhm.
Hello, my name is James, and I'm going to tell you about my morning routines.
Mhm.
Well, I wake up at 6:45 and get up at 7 o'clock.
Mhm.
Then I have a shower and get dressed.
Mhm.
Next, I have cereal for breakfast.
Mhm.
After that, I brush my teeth. At
Mhm.
8 o'clock, I go to school where I learn many interesting things.
Iya, many interesting things. Bukan thing tapi many interesting, bukan many interesting tapi many interesting things. Once again.
Where I learn many interesting things.
Yeah, that's good. You have a good pronunciation. I hope. I just wondering, you like English so much?
Yes,
Inggris ya.
yes I do.
Thank you. You can read very well. Is there any difficult word for you? Ada yang sulit mungkin kata-kata? Tidak ada ya?
No.
Thank you, Miss Desmi.
You're
Good.
welcome.
Ya, terima kasih sudah bisa baca dengan baik. Oke, saya minta yang lainnya, mungkin 1 atau 2 lagi ya. Oke, Miss Ling. Halo, Miss Ling.
Hello, Miss.
Oke, are you ready to read the passage here?
Yes.
Oke, silakan. Dari
Uh,
morning routines
Okay.
sampai di things ya.
Okay.
Please read not so quick. Tidak usah cepat, nggak apa-apa.
Okay.
Kalau ada yang pronunciation yang salah,
Okay.
nggak keberatan ya kalau saya betulkan ya.
Yeah.
Silakan.
Morning routines. Hello, my name is Jim, and I am going to tell you about my morning routines. Well, I wake up at 6:45 and get up at 7 o'clock. Then I have a shower and get dressed. Next, I have cereal for breakfast.
That's it.
After that, I brush my teeth.
Okay.
At 8 o'clock, I go to school where I learn many interesting things.
Yeah, many interesting thing. Okay.
Many interesting things.
Once again, at 8 o'clock, 8. Jangan 8, tapi 8 ada I-nya. Once again.
Oh, at 8 o'clock.
At 8 o'clock, I go to
8
school where I
o'clock.
Yeah, you're right. 8, yeah. Thank you, Miss Ling. You can read
Welcome,
very
Miss.
well.
Yeah.
Do you like reading English books or English novels, maybe? English stories?
Not yet.
But at least your English is very good, yeah. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you. Thank you, Miss.
Okay. Terima kasih, Miss Ling. Satu lagi, saya ingin dengar yang cowok mungkin. Nah, ini ada nih. Andre, Miss Andre. Ini Mr. Andre kali ya. Mr. Andre, is it? Hello, Mr. Andre.
Hello, yeah.
Mr. Andre.
Yes, miss.
Okay. Are you ready to read the passage?
Yes, miss.
Silahkan dari morning routines sampai many interesting things. Okay? I hope you don't mind. Saya pikir Anda tidak akan keberatan kalau nanti saya betulkan pronunciation-nya kalau ada yang salah. Okay?
Okay.
Silahkan.
Morning routines. Hello, my name is Jim and I'm going to tell you about my morning routines. I wake up at 6:45 and get up at 7 o'clock. Then I have a shower and get dressed. Next, I have cereal for breakfast. After that, I brush my teeth. At 8 o'clock, I go to school where I learn many interesting things.
Yeah, very good. Thank you so much. You can read very well.
You're welcome,
Terima
Miss.
kasih, Mr. Andre. Okay, thank you. Everybody has already read almost everybody. I asked some of you to read, and it turned out that you can read very well. Now, we are going to continue. Bentar ya. Iya. Oke. Mungkin tidak perlu dilihat lagi, tapi ya nggak apa-apa deh. Now, we are going to continue to the next. That's the question. The question is still about Jim and the morning routines. Okay? Now, number 1. What is the boy's name? I want you to answer. Saya ingin Anda menjawab nomor 1 dan 2. Okay? Bentar. Ya, Miss Inaka. Miss Inaka. Oh.
Halo Miss, good
Halo
evening.
Miss. Saya klik-klik kok nggak bisa saya. Oke, Miss Inaka, bisa bantu saya nomor 1 dan 2. Answer the question.
What's the boy's name?
The answer is
A. Jim.
Jim. Oke. Oh, ini sudah ada jawabnya ini. Oke, ya nggak apa-apa. Number 2.
What time does he wake up? A. Quarter
Quarter to
7.
Okay. What time does he wake up? Wake up jadi yang 1. Nggak usah wake up. Wake up.
Wake
Okay,
up.
once again. What time does he wake up?
What time does he wake up?
Yeah. The answer is
At 6:45.
ya 6.45. Very good. Now, sekarang kalau misalnya nih, saya mau tanya nih, kalau misalnya ada yang bertanya, saya bertanya nih, kalau bangunnya itu pukul 6.30, what is in English? 6.30.
Half to 7.
Half?
To
Half?
7 o'clock.
Half
Past 6.
past
6.
6. Yes. Oh. Yang ini. Ya, 6:30.
6 o'clock.
6, bukan 6. Once again, 6:30.
Past 6 o'clock.
Jangan pakai o'clock. O'clock itu hanya dipakai kalau belakangnya 00. Jadi 07:00. Nah, belakangnya pas begini o'clock. 7 o'clock. Oke? Kalau 06.30 karena 30 pakai 6:30. Satu lagi sekarang, kalau misalnya bangunnya itu pukul 6:15 gimana coba?
A quarter past 6.
Quarter.
Past 6.
Quarter past
6.
6. Yeah, that's good. Ya ini. A quarter past 6. Ya, ini keyboardnya. Ya, in English, we usually say past itu lebih ya, jadi dari belakang. 6 lebih 15 menit. Quarter itu seperempat 15 menit. Thank you, Miss Inaka.
Welcome, Miss.
Yes. Okay, now we go on to number 3 and 4. Tadi ini Miss Linda Suryani. Number 3 and 4. I need your help to answer number 3 and 4.
Okay, Miss.
Halo.
Hello, Miss.
Okay, ya, siap?
Yep.
Number 3, answer with the question first.
Okay. What does he have for breakfast?
Yeah,
B.
B.
Cereal.
Good. Thank you. B. Now, number 4.
Are the things at school interesting?
Mhm.
Yes, they are.
Yes, they are. So, this one, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you so much, Miss
Thank
Linda.
you.
Okay. Ada yang bertanya mungkin? Bentar. No? Okay. Yeah, that's good. Now before, yeah, I would like to go to the next question. I clear up this first. And what's that? I think you all already understand about the passage, right? Nah, sekarang nih, order James morning routines, urutkan kebiasaan Jim di waktu pagi, okay? Siap ya? So, after wake up, mandi, get dressed, makan, sikat gigi, dan sebagainya. Oke. Nah, sekarang di sini sudah ada nih. Jim gets up. He has a shower. Jim wakes up. He brushes his teeth. He gets dressed. He goes to school. And he has breakfast. Now, I will ask some of you. Mana urutan yang benar? 1, ini ada berapa ini? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, dan 3. Oke. Miss Friska.
Good evening, Miss.
Yeah, good evening, Miss Friska. How are you today?
I'm fine, thank you, Miss. And
I
what
am
about
fine
you?
too, thank you. Okay, are you ready to answer the question?
Yes, Miss.
Yeah, this time you have already understand about Jim's morning routines, right? Nah, sekarang tolong diurutkan 1, 2, 3 saja. 3 kegiatan yang Jim lakukan di pagi hari.
Okay.
Mana yang pertama?
First, James wake up.
Yeah, James wake up. This one. Sorry. Okay. The first one is Jim. This one, right? This one is number 1. Okay. Then
James gets up.
which one is number 2? James. Which one is number 3?
He has breakfast.
He has breakfast. Kita cek ya. Oke. Sebelum saya bilang benar atau salah, kita cek. Jim wakes up. Okay, yeah, you're right. Because this one, I cannot make it go up. my, yeah, the screen. I cannot make it. I just wondering. Number 1 is true, that James wakes up. Yeah, number 1 is James wakes up. And then number 2, James gets up. And then number 3, he has breakfast. Right? Okay. Thank you, Miss Friska.
You're welcome,
And now
Miss.
we go on to number 4, 5, and 6. Silakan. Miss Desmi Chang.
Yes, Miss Lilis.
Okay. Okay. Now, please give order. The first one is already number 2.
Hello.
Hello.
Yeah. Hello.
Okay. Can you give number which one
Yes, Miss.
has Jim's morning routines after has breakfast? Setelah makan pagi, what is it?
So actually, after wake up, get up, he has a shower first. Then he get dressed.
Yeah, sorry, this one. Okay, I'll do once again. Yeah, the first one is Jim wakes up, and then Jim gets up, and then
he has a shower.
Has a shower. Yeah, you are right. Okay, yeah, you are right. Yeah, has a shower. Okay. Now, what is next after have a shower? He gets dressed. Yes.
He has breakfast.
He has breakfast.
He
brushes
his teeth.
And then
goes to school.
Yeah, thank you. Yeah, thank you. Because now I didn't see.
Welcome.
Yeah. Okay, the first one is wakes up and then gets up. Jadi masih mungkin ada anak yang tidur bangunnya jam 10 tapi wake up-nya jam 7. Jadi masih diranjang terus. Okay. This one the Jim wakes up and then gets up, terus has a shower, gets dressed, has breakfast, brushes his teeth, and goes to school. Any question? Apakah ada pertanyaan tentang ini? No. Okay. If you have no question, I would like to continue our lesson. Kita akan continue the lesson that we have done so far. Sebentar, saya akan clear all the topic first. And then yeah. So far, we have already covered to page 56. Kita sudah selesai sampai di halaman 56. Now we are going to go on page 57. For those who have the book, if you have the book physically, yang punya buku fisiknya, silahkan bisa dibuka di halaman 57. But if you don't have it, you can just see on the screen. We're going to learn about always, usually, often, sometimes, seldom, rarely, never. Those are called, semua ini disebut frequency adverbs, kata dilakukan. Oke. Kalau dibuat bagan atau dibuat urutan, always itu 100% karena selalu artinya. Kemudian yang usually, ayo siapa yang tahu artinya usually? In chat room please, chat. Usually. Usually. Ya, betul, biasanya. Nah, sekarang kalau yang selanjutnya often. Sering. Okay, you are right. Sometimes. Sometimes. Kita tulis di chat room yang bisa. Okay, kadang-kadang, you are right. Seldom. Seldom. Jarang. Nah, kalau rarely. Sepuluh sampai jarang sekali. Ya, sesekali atau benar-benar jarang. Ya, oke. Next, terakhir, never. Tidak pernah. Ya, everybody knows the answer already. So, always selalu, usually biasanya, often, sometimes, seldom, rarely, and never. Nah, dalam kalimat present tense, di mana dia diletakkan? Always put frequency adverb between subject and the verb. Letakkan frequency adverb di antara subjek dan kata kerja serta objeknya. Jadi, kalau bisa dibilang diringkas, subjek, always, usually, often, sometimes, seldom, rarely, never, baru verbnya. Okay? Now, I want one of you to read all those sentences. Saya minta ada seseorang yang mau membacakan kalimat dari A, B, C, dan D. Oke, siapa? Partisipan. Semua sudah kebagian ini yang raise hands. Saya ulang dari depan lagi. Miss Ling.
Yes, Miss.
Okay, I need your help. You read your sentence A, B, C, D.
Okay. Bob always comes to class.
Comes. Tolong sampai S-nya keluar. Bob always comes to class.
Okay. Bob always comes to class.
That's good. Okay, next number B.
Mary usually comes to class.
Yeah, good. C.
We often watch TV at night.
Okay, sometimes people say often, ada yang bilang often. It's the same, dua-duanya boleh. Okay,
we often
watch TV at night. Good. Yang D.
I sometimes drink tea with dinner.
Okay, I sometimes drink tea with dinner. Saya mau tanya sedikit nih, kenapa yang I kok drink ya, nggak drinks tuh? Yang lain yang Bob pakai S. Mary comes. Nah, kalau I kok drink? Karena untuk subjek
Ayu,
sama
they, we. Ya.
Nah, Ayu Dewi, ya betul. Ayu Dewi, Ayu itu selalu
to add S.
Ya, tanpa S. Oke, thank you Miss Ling.
You're welcome, Miss.
Oke, sekarang yang E, F, dan G. Yuk, Miss Lani.
Yes, Miss.
Okay, I need your help. Read the sentence A, F, dan G.
They seldom go to the movies. And Anna rarely makes a mistake.
Once again, Anna rarely makes a mistake.
Anna rarely makes a mistake.
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 Take.
Take.
A-E. Mistake.
Mistake.
That's it. Next.
I never eat paper.
Apa tuh yang G ini artinya apa ini?
Saya tidak pernah makan kertas.
Iya, saya tidak pernah makan kertas. Okay, very good. Terima kasih Miss Lani.
Sama-sama, Miss.
Okay, good. Nah, tadi saya mengatakan biasanya diletakkan di antara subjek dan verb. Tapi di sini ada tulisan sometimes. Kalau sometimes itu memang istimewa nih. Sometimes ada yang di depan boleh, Di tengah itu yang memang seharusnya, di belakang pun boleh. Tapi kalau yang lain, misalnya nih, Mary comes to class, usually. Kalau di depan, oke. Usually, Mary comes to class. Often jarang kita mengatakan seperti itu. Walaupun boleh, tetapi construction-nya nanti beda. Ya, yang paling umum, frequency adverb selalu diletakkan di antara subject dan present verb. Ada pertanyaan mungkin before I go on? Yeah. Oh, ini tadi ada yang tanya kalau jam 7-nya PM gitu. Tadi saya lihat. Oh, 6.30 PM. Kalau ada PM-nya, jadi kita misalnya nih, kalau ada yang bertanya pada saya, kalau 6.30 PM terus bahasa Inggrisnya apa? Kita pakai half. 6.30 kan half past 6, right? Nah, PM-nya, karena itu sudah 6:30 malam ya, kita pakai in the evening. So, we say half past 6 in the evening. Kalau 6.30-nya pagi, so half past 6 in the morning. 6.30 AM. Ya. Oke, now we go on to the next. Sekarang kita lihat di sini nih, ada bagan di sini. Misalnya nih, and always drinks tea with lunch. Lalu minum teh kalau makan siang. Di sini ini Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Bayangannya itu seperti itu. Usually itu mungkin Sunday-nya enggak. Kalau often berarti Sunday dan Monday enggak. Sometimes jarang lagi nih diambil satu yang tidak. Seldom gini. Nah, ini untuk membayangkan keseringan suatu pekerjaan dilakukan. Ya, ini hanya suatu gambaran saja. Nah, sekarang nih, exercise 2, oral. Ya, kita mau meletakkan kata-kata tersebut di antara kata yang sudah ada di sini. Oke, nomor 1 has been done for you. Nomor 1 sudah dilakukan. I eat breakfast. Pakai always. I always eat breakfast. Oke, now 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Mr. Andre. Silakan, Mr. Andre.
Yes, Miss.
Ya. Can you do number 2, 3, and 4? 2, 3, and 4. Ayo, diletakkan di mana usually-nya.
Usually I get up at 7 o'clock.
Oke, boleh diletakkan di depan sini atau
di belakang.
Tidak boleh kalau di belakang. Paling umum, yang mana? Yang umum kan tadi di depan. Terus ya?
Di depan.
Itu kan yang di depan.
Sama
Usually I
di
get up at 7 o'clock. Terus? Yang kedua di mana?
I usually get up at 7 o'clock.
Bisa di sebelahnya. Oh, ini kecil-kecil ya. Usually di depan boleh. Atau I usually get up at 7 o'clock. Thank you. Nomor 3 sekarang. Letakkan di mana ovennya?
Number 3.
You read the sentence first. Dibaca kalimatnya dulu. I drink.
Often.
Ya, betul. I often drink Ayo. Kok nggak ada suaranya? Okay, for number 3. Okay, saya ganti ya. Mr. Stephen. Yeah, Mr. Stephen, I need your help. Oh, lost connection. Sorry. Oh. Okay, Mr. Stephen. Mr. Stephen. Hilang malahan. Okay, Miss Lingkaran.
Good evening, Miss.
Yeah, good evening, Miss
How
Lingkaran.
are you?
I'm fine, thank you. Okay, I need your help to do the exercise here.
Number 3, Miss.
3, 4, and 5. 3, 4, 5
4
jadi.
and 5. Okay. I often drink 2 cups of coffee in the morning.
That's good. I often. Sini ya.
Yeah.
Ini kurang bagus
I
ini.
often drink 2 cups of coffee in the morning.
Next, number 4.
I never eat carrots for breakfast.
Carrots, ada S-nya once again.
I never eat carrots for breakfast.
Good, thank you. Yes, number 5.
I seldom watch TV in the morning.
I seldom watch TV in the morning. Okay, I'm just asking you. Do
Yeah.
you really seldom watch TV in the morning?
No,
Benar.
Miss.
Enggak pernah ya?
Nggak pernah, Miss.
Malah never. Okay, thank you. It doesn't
You're
matter.
welcome,
Thank you ya.
Miss.
Ya, kita lanjut sedikit ya. Thank you, Miss Linggara. Now we come to Miss V. Miss V.
Yes,
Yeah, Miss V. Okay. Please do exercise number 6, 7, and 8. 6, 7, dan 8.
Okay, 6. Sometimes I have tea with dinner.
Okay, sometimes boleh di depan, boleh di tengah, boleh di belakang. And you choose in front. Okay, sometimes I have tea with dinner. 7.
Bob usually eats lunch at the cafeteria.
Cafeteria, once again. Bob usually
Bob
eats lunch at the cafeteria.
Okay. Bob usually eats lunch at the cafeteria.
Okay, cafeteria. Next, thank you. That's rarely.
And rarely drinks tea.
Good. And rarely drinks tea. Yes, very good.
Thank you.
Sofa, yeah, thank you, Miss. Sofa, is there any question? Ada pertanyaan mungkin? If you have no question, ya, saya pikir mungkin hari ini, malam ini kita cukupkan di sini. And we are going to go, not yet one, okay, ya, belum ada pertanyaan ya. Okay, if you have any question, you just put in the chat room here. I try to find out, I'll try to see it, and then if we can answer, if I can read it, and then I will answer it. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I think that's enough for today. Goodbye. See you on the next meeting. Good night. Good night, everybody.
Thank you, Miss.
Yeah, thank you. You're welcome.
Thank you, Miss. Thank you, Mr. Tony.
Yeah, you are welcome.
Thank you, Miss.
Yeah, goodbye.
Thank you so much. Goodbye.